Hi, Boogies. You going up to the door?
Yeah.
Except they're out here.
Yeah, hello.
Is Kojak going to give you candy?
I'll give you candy, alright? More candy than you want.
Hi.
You gonna get in the beer wagon?
It's not a beer wagon.
She's recording you say that.
Where are you going? Zoe. Hey. Yeah, one seat has a cooler. Where are you going? Hi, Stinkies. Where are you going? Bye. It's actually got a cork underneath. You can put ice in it and drain it. Oh.
You ready to try to go smuggle some candy from these people?
Yeah. All right, you ready to get in the wagon? Let's go.
A two-story house over there, like